Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today is the roundup for June's Sock It To Me challenge. As you all know, Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits and myself, we challenged ourselves to make a pair of socks every month for this year. And so what far, guys? Yay! Halfway through the year and we're on track. We've done more than 6 pairs. Some of us have done 8, some of us have done 7, some of us have done 6. Doesn't matter, as long as you take part. That's all that's interest. All we're, we're interested. We're just happy to know that you're taking part with us. First off, I would like to thank Spring from Fibre Enthusiasts, Trisha from Becoming Me, Amy Knits 39, Mariette, who is a South African lady who I've just gotten to know, thank to Ursula. Her channel is called Die Boervrouw. And then, of course, we've got our sweet Ingrid from Ingrid Inspirations. And at the end of this video, like I always do, there's going to be a little slideshow showing their socks, but also showing mine as well. I'm just so delighted with those of you who are taking part in this challenge as well. I know we all have busy lives and busy schedules, so for you to hashtag us and let us know what you're doing, that is amazing. And I do believe Mimi Cat do. I think she's got a pair out as well. I'll double check that and I'll put hers at the end as well. Some of these ladies have got channels. I will put the links below, and I think it's about time I show you mine. Right, so my socks for June are for 2 of my Yarny Fibre sisters. And the first pair I'm going to show you are for my Super Magenta V. Not Pink V, Super Magenta V. And these are hair socks. And these are made, I made these with DPNs, double pointed needles. And I used Turtle Pearl yarn. And so these are V's. As you can see, they've got and they're really nice, and I hope to goodness they fit her, because as you can see, they're too big for me, guys. I've only got little feet, so they're too big. And again, I've used Turtle Pearl yarn to make Miss Jeannie a pair. Now Miss Jeannie's are totally different, and I've used my circular needles for these, and there we are. And I think, guys, I'm going to be making myself a pair of these socks as well. I really like them. They'll go really nice in my trainers and under my leggings in the winter. But yeah, so they're Miss Jeannie's. I believe this is Mystique, Turtle Pearl's Mystique, and I can't for the life of me remember what this yarn is, but I will put it in the description box. Hold on, I might have it here. Hold on, I might be able to tell you, guys. So yes, oh no, this is crushed. Slap my hands. This is the Turtle Pearls Crush. And what's the other one? This can't be Mystique. It can't be Mystique. Is it Mystique? Oh, it is. It's Mystique's. Oh dear, guys. I think I should go to bed and get back up again. So this is crushed. This is Mystic Topaz, and they're from Turtle Pearl. And they're both superwash merino, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. It's a 4-ply, and they're 450 yards, 100 grams. And yes, so machine wash with cold water, hang or lay flat to dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, when I send the socks, I'm going to put the care instructions inside the socks so V and Jeannie know what to do when to wash them. So guys, so what am I going to do for July, you might ask? Well, I think it's about time. May, I made some socks for me. June, I've done Jeannie and V. So I think it's Rick's turn this in July. And what I'm going to use, guys, is this Yarn Art Crazy Colour. All the different tones of browns, and there's a bit of purple, bit of rust, bit of beige. And you all know I love Yarn Art, and it's 25% wool, 75% acrylic, 285 yards, and it's 100 grams. And yes, so there what I'm going to do for Rick this in June. And I've got 2 skeins of this, so if I only use one skein might go towards a giveaway, guys. You never know. So yeah, so that's the yarn I'm going to be using for, and I'm just going to do a plain vanilla sock, and I can whip them up in a bit. And I might even do myself a pair of socks as well. I might do myself a little pair, because from now until December I want to make 2 pairs of socks a month. And I'm thinking, guys, I'm thinking, guys, I might make myself a pair of them little shorty socks with this yarn. And this, I have no idea where this yarn came from. It's Grundle. And there's the knitting, that's how it knits up. It's 50% wool, 25% viscose, 25% polyamide, and there's 420 meters. So yeah, I think I will. I think I'll do myself a little pair of shorty socks. So I'll put that in the basket. No, I won't. I'll put it back on the shelf because I know. And that. So that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe. Oh, before I go, if you knit socks and you would like to be showcased on my Sock It To Me challenge video, I do it the last Thursday of every month. So if you can get your socks to me the Friday before the last Thursday of the month, I will showcase it on my next video. All I need from you is a photograph of your socks, what needle size you used, what pattern you used, and more importantly what yarn you used. So I'm finished now. Sorry guys. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, take care. Bye for now.